So the generic one sucks in terms of how fast it takes to blow. I'm going to dread cleaning this up later. I know that. Oh, Today we are going to do a comparison. The genuine Giottos air duster. What the hell is this thing called? Today we are going to do a comparison. The genuine Giotto AA1900 large rocket blaster. This thing is designed to clean your camera gear by simply blowing on it. Versus the fake, generic, pretend rocket blaster from some no-name company in China that I bought off of eBay. And it kind of is supposed to do the same exact thing. Clean your stuff. There is a big difference between the two though. This one is $19 on Amazon. This one was $3 on eBay. They look very similar. There's a slight size difference, but it's nothing major. But here's the biggest difference that I found. One, when you squeeze this one, the recovery time is almost immediately. You can keep going. You can squeeze it all you want. When you do this one, the fake generic brand one, you got to wait for it to suck its air back in. It slows you down a little bit. Now, the purpose of these things is supposed to be a more portable version of a typical air duster. So we're going to do a three-way test. We're going to do the real Giottos, the fake Giottos, and the air duster, and see which one blows better. So right off the bat, the obvious thing is when you squeeze the real Giottos versus the other one recovers twice as fast as the other. So the generic one sucks in terms of how fast it takes to blow. This one you can just keep going. This one you have to just wait. Only thing I can tell different so far. We are going to do this test by simply pouring some baking soda down on the table. Whoa, that's a lot. Oh boy, I'm going to have to clean all that off the floor when I'm done. And let's see how hard they blow. Let's start with, what else am I going to test with this thing? It's an air duster, let's be real. All right, we're going to start with the generic one. I'm going to hold it, give or take, right above the, an inch or so above, and let's see what, one press. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Not bad. All right, now let's try the other, put a little more baking soda. I'm going to dread cleaning this up later. I know that. All right. Now we're going to do the real Giotto test. This is going to blow harder, hopefully. Oh, clearly, this side of the table is blowing a lot harder than that side. So clearly, the real Giottos does blow harder. Oh boy, here's the part of the test I really am going to dread. The air duster for... Oh jeez, why did I do this? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Actually, though, while the air duster clearly was stronger, it was not as strong as I expected. I thought this was going to end up on the floor. Now, mind you, I did hold it 90 degrees this way, where it's not really designed. It's supposed to be this way, but then it's all going to fly onto the floor, and I got to clean that up. So, honestly, this air duster is clearly a lot stronger than the fake and real Giottos. But go put this in your bag versus putting this, which weighs a lot more. These weigh, give or take, the same. The real one is slightly heavier. Oh, I got baking soda on the fake one. The real one, this is a goofy thing I've done today. The real one weighs slightly more, but they both weigh very little. This can easily weighs double what one of those weighs, and it's almost empty. When it's full, it's probably 4x of what one of these air dusters are. However, clearly these do not blow as hard as that. The fake one is only marginally less than the real one, probably not enough to justify the price difference, but just the fact that I can do this and have to wait will make me completely bonkers using the fake one, whereas the real one, yeah, it just blows and blows and blows. I don't know what else to review. They are air dusters. $3 is probably a fair price. $18.99 is really not. But it is the best air duster I could find. This Giottos large AA1900 duster is by far the best air duster money can buy. But they charge you $19 for a rubber tube with the red tip on it. But it does really work better than the competition. Honestly, if I could go back in time and buy only one of the two, I still would buy the real one, because waiting for the repump will make me absolutely bonkers, and it would be very quickly thrown away. However, this one is excellent, and it does really do exactly what it says, and it does blow fairly hard, although nowhere near as hard as the real can of air spray. Whew, that's a mess to clean up. See you all in the next video. I hope you give me a thumbs up, man, because I just made a mess in my beautiful apartment. Come on. Give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you all in the next video. Highly recommend this Giottos. Bye-bye.
Yo, 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 yo.